Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix we couldn't confirm it's you error on PayPal. First of all, use a stable trusted connection. Switch off any VPN or proxy and connect to your home Wi-Fi. PayPal blocks any PayPal blocks logins from suspicious networks. Next, clear cache or reinstall the app. Go ahead and open your settings app and then scroll down, click on clear history and website data, click on clear history. This will clear all your history, but it will keep your data safe. Next, delete and reinstall the PayPal app to reset login data. Now we are going to verify your identity manually. Open the PayPal app and then go to security, confirm identity, upload a valid photo ID and confirm your email or phone. Next, reset your password if prompted. Tap forgot password and create a new one to re-authenticate your account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.